bum, no hands.
And then you pause. Is it the right thing to send condolences by text or by email for that matter? You hesitate, and in the end you decide not to send a message.
My puppy Vinny, he moved in July, says Sarah, which I like the idea of the puppy moving in rather than going and choosing a puppy. The puppy decided to move in. He was turning up with a little handkerchief knotted on a stick. Hello, I'm Vinny. My girlfriend's engagement ring would suit my summer, says Andy and Borough, which is nice, I'm presuming she said yes. Phil and Lester said a sweet. With some upper summer, because I did sweet FA all summer long, and I like it. I got my hair cut. Now, I didn't say it had to be anything big. Brian Eastroad says I got my hair cut. It was only a trim, but it looks very nice. So possibly maybe a pair of scissors on the pool with some up Brian's thing. Anonymous again says the Argos catalogue, because I've worked there all summer long in Hull.
It gets hard to breathe. Now my feet has gone. You bring me back to me. You make it real for me. But I'm not sure about my boundaries. I've lost sight of where I'm meant to be. Like holy water, washing over me. You make it real for me, and I'm running to you, baby. You